Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's open our meeting today by reciting basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, how are you today? Fine, okay? Have you taken your lunch before going to campus? Okay. Okay everyone, today is our first meeting, especially for delivering material, because the last week we just doing introduction to know each other between students and also between students and teacher and lecturer. So today this is our first meeting, especially for delivering material. Yeah. All of you have this handbook. Sudah punya handbook semua? Have you copied with your leader, with your ketua tingkat? Sudah di copy? Ya. Because sampai till our last meeting, sampai pertemuan ke-16, inshallah we will use handbook. So all of your material, assignment or etc. This include of your handbook. So all of you to have handbook. Okay ya. Before starting the meeting, I would like to deliver the learning outcomes, capaian pembelajaran kita, khusus untuk mata pembelajaran bahasa Inggris. For the first learning outcomes pertama, capaian pembelajaran pertama, mahasiswa mampu memahami dan mengidentifikasi kata, mengetahui kosakata baru, baik legal maupun general vocabulary. Jadi harapannya, we hope this in the end of our lesson, all of you can identify word, all of you can have many new vocabularies. Because we are going to study about some legal vocabularies or some general vocabularies. And then the second, capaian pembelajaran yang kedua, yaitu mahasiswa mampu menulis kalimat atau paragraf bahasa Inggris dengan grammar yang baik dan benar. Ya, karena nanti kita akan belajar, setiap pertemuan pasti akan disampaikan beberapa bentuk-bentuk grammar, tata bahasa penulisan dalam bahasa Inggris. So, harapannya adalah kalian bisa punya sedikit pemahaman tentang beginilah bentuk grammar bahasa Inggris. Next and the last, capaian pembelajaran yang terakhir adalah mahasiswa mampu memahami makna yang terkandung pada setiap reading text yang disajikan. Ya, karena setiap bab, insya Allah setiap meeting I will deliver reading text. Setiap meeting itu pasti akan ada reading text. Nah, harapannya kalian bisa memiliki skill reading, bisa memahami reading, bisa membaca reading, dan bisa memaknai apa yang terkandung dalam isi reading tersebut. Okay, understand ya what I have delivered just now. And then please open your book. Open your handbook at page 4, halaman 4. Silakan buka bukunya halaman 4. And then you will see there is conversation. Ada percakapan. Please work in pairs. Jadi I would like to invite you into work in pairs. Saya akan bagi berpasang-pasangan. You. Oke ya, dua-dua ya. Pasang-pasangan dua-dua, nanti saling berhadapan-hadapan. Please make a conversation. Silakan diskusi. I give you time 3 minutes. Diskusikan sesuai yang ada di handbooknya, sesuai yang ada di bukunya. Silakan dibaca saja, didiskusikan. Jadi ada yang berperan sebagai student A, ada yang berperan sebagai student B. Oke ya, I give you time 3 minutes. Start now. Oke, finish. Time is up. Siapa yang mau, who wants to come forward to deliver your discussion, to deliver your work in pairs with your friends? Siapa yang mau naik ke depan untuk bercakap, berconversation with your friends? Ya, you, Andi, please come forward. Nah, clap hand to your friends. Ya, give me 5, Andi. Ya. Who else? Nandita. Ya, I love you 2 times. Ya, terima kasih because love you respond for my instruction. Next, please pay attention to your book. Still in the page 4, masih di halaman keempat. Nah, you see legal vocabularies, right? Jadi kalian lihat ada kosakata legal ya. And for your information, legal vocabularies is means kosakata tentang hukum, because all of you are insyaallah akan jadi penegak hukum, because this is your major, this is your department, so our material is just focused to your department. Okay, please pay attention to your book. Please repeat after me. I would like to pronounce and then please repeat after me. Okay ya? Okay, we start now. Judge. Okay, good. Prosecutor. Good. Legal case. Okay. Police officer. Okay. Burglary. Yeah. Witness. Okay. Courtroom. Okay. Clerk. Okay. Clap hands once again for all of you. Okay, next, please open your book to the next page. Also, there are some general vocabularies. Nah, general vocabularies itu for your information, ini kosakata umum. Tadi kosakata tentang hukum, sekarang ini kosakata umum. Nah, please repeat after me. Jadi silakan ulangi lagi. I would like to pronounce and please repeat after me. Yeah, for the first, nervous. Yeah, good. Worried. Yeah, serious. Good. Guilty. Yeah, next, confident. Okay, thank you. Now, okay, now we are going to our grammar. Yeah, sekarang please pay attention to the board. Nah, tadi kalian kan melakukan conversation. Nah, di conversation itu ada beberapa kata yang tertulis bold, right? Ada beberapa kata yang tertulis tebal. Nah, yang tertulis tebal itu adalah bentuk pola yang akan kita pelajari hari ini. So today we are going to study about to be. To be, ya. Who have heard about to be? Siapa yang pernah mendengarkan apa itu to be? I think all of you have studied to be in your senior high school, right? Oke ya. Jadi semua di SMA pasti sudah pelajari tentang to be, kan? To be itu membernya, anggotanya ada yang namanya is, are. Ini dalam bentuk good, present. Thank you, Andi. Next, in the past form, there are was and were, past form. Nah, dalam bentuk present, dalam bentuk past. Who wants to tell me what is present and what is past? Oke, coba Siska. Ya. Oke, good. 2 terms for you, Siska. And next, to be. Ya. To be, untuk membentuk kalimatnya, kita ada 3 bentuk kalimat. Ada yang namanya positive form, negative form, and question form. Yang pertama ya, positive form, dalam bentuk positif. Nah, polanya adalah, rumusnya adalah subject plus to be plus objek. Nah, objek ini bisa berupa noun, bisa berupa adjektif, bisa berupa adverb. Oke ya, ini bentuk positifnya. Next, in negative form, negatif, rumusnya adalah subject plus to be plus not plus objek. Nah, objeknya masih sama ini. Oke, ini yang membedakan ya. There is not in negative form. Nah, next in question form. Question form, polanya adalah to be plus subject plus object plus question mark. Remember about question mark because it's not question form without question mark. Jadi bukan kalimat tanda tanya, bukan kalimat bertanya jika tidak ada question marknya, tanda tanyanya. Oke ya. So this is the form for positive, negative, and question. Okay, I give you one example. Example ya. For example, I would like to say Andi ganteng. Ya, Andi, are you handsome? Okay, handsome ya. Andi ganteng. So the sentence is Andi is handsome. This is subject, this is to be, and this is object. Objeknya berupa adjective. Oke, itu contohnya ya. Next, in negative form, negative formnya just add not. Hanya tambahkan not saja, seperti ini. Andi is not handsome. Nah ini ya, tambahannya not. And next, what about in question form? Question form berarti kalimatnya seperti ini. Is Andi handsome? Oke. Itu contohnya ya untuk in positive, negative, and question form. Who wants to ask? Ada yang tidak dipahami? Paham? Oke, paham semua ya? Nah, oke ya, ini tadi in present form, dalam bentuk present. Nah, dalam bentuk pastnya juga seperti itu. Hanya yang kita ganti adalah is. Misalnya kita pakai Andi was handsome. Ketika kita bilang Andi was handsome, berarti Andi sekarang sudah tidak ganteng, karena gantengnya di masa lalu. Begitu ya. Berarti kalau untuk tidak negative formnya, Andi was not handsome. Begitu pula dengan di question form, was Andi handsome? Oke, paham ya? Oke. Now I give you time 5 minutes. I give you time 5 minutes. Saya kasih waktu 5 menit for make 3 sentence, untuk membuat 3 kalimat menggunakan to be. Bisa in present form or past form. It's depend on you. I just want to make 3 sentences about this to be. Okay ya? And I give you time 3 minutes ya. Please do now. Now? Sudah? Ya. Coba I want to read the task that you have written. Okay, Nila? Okay, Nila, please, time's yours. Yeah, just in your seat. No need to come forward. Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Okay, others, how about Nila's assignment? Right or no? Okay, right? Yeah? Okay, right. And then clap hand for Nila. Okay, and then any others who wants? Okay, coba Cika. Ya. Okay, good job. Give me 5. Yeah. Now, please open your book in the page. Wait, in the page 8, halaman 8. Please open your book in the page 8 and you will see there is a reading text. Akan ada reading text. Oke ya, have you seen? Ya. Yeah. This is here. Halaman 8. Okay, good. Okay. And now I'm going to give you time again. I'm going to give you time 5 minutes. Saya kasih waktu lagi 5 menit. Silakan read the reading text and then understand what the meaning of the reading text. Yeah. Okay, can you catch? Okay, Yusriani, what should you do? Okay, good. Yeah. Read the reading text and next understand the meaning of reading text. Okay, I give you time 5 minutes from now. Okay, enough? Sudah ya? Okay. Now who wants to come forward? I would like to invite you to come forward. Who wants to come forward and read the reading text and next translate into Indonesian? Who wants? Okay. Yeah, Anis, please come forward. Okay, claps hand for Anis. Yeah. Any others? Ada lagi? Okay, sudah? Oh iya, sudah. Okay, now. Nah, this is the last part of today. Sekarang I would like to invite you for discussion. I would like to divide you into 3 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Group 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Group 2 and selebihnya group 3. Okay ya. And group 1 please discuss with your groups. Kira-kira apa jawaban dari pertanyaan nomor 1. And next group 2 pertanyaan nomor 2. And the last group 3 pertanyaan nomor 3. Okay ya, I give you time 3 minutes for discuss with your friends. Next perwakilan kelompok 1 orang saja nanti akan membacakan apa hasil diskusinya. Okay ya, 3 minutes from now. Okay, enough. Group 1, please present your discussion result. Okay, please stand up, just your seat. Okay. Okay, good. Group 2, who wants? Okay, Andi, please stand up, Andi. Okay. Good job. And then the last group, who wants? Siska? Okay, Siska, please stand yours. Yeah. Okay, good job. Masya Allah. All of you are smart, I think, because you can respond to what my instruction, and then you can do what I asked to you. Yeah, nice students. Good job. Yeah, claps hand for you all. Okay. Now your homework is, I give you homework supaya bisa bekerja secara mandiri di rumahnya. Your homework is please read the reading text again. Baca kembali reading textnya. Kemudian underline the legal vocabularies. Garis bawahi yang mana yang termasuk kosakata hukum, legal vocabularies, and cycle what the member of to be. Jadi di underline, di garis bawahi kosakata hukumnya, kemudian dilingkari to be-nya. To be yang mana? Okay, good. Is, are, was, were. And next, your task, please collect our online classroom in Edmomo classroom. Semua sudah masuk di Edmomo kan? Nanti tugasnya silahkan diupload di @momo classroom. Nanti saya periksa di sana. Any question so far? Ada pertanyaan sebelum kita tutup materinya? Nothing? If nothing, I think all of you have understand. And today I think our meeting, our material is enough. See you in the next week, in next chapter. So please, read your handbook in your home before coming to class supaya kita bisa diskusi, ada feedback, karena kalian sudah ada gambaran melalui buku ini. Oke ya? I think enough for this time. Sorry for all of my mistaken because I'm just human being. And let's close our meeting today by reciting hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.